now. No problems with I-405, but it could be a little cold. We're even talking about the possibility of snow, so that's something people need to think about.
Yeah, I think it's going to be wet, probably still damp and cold, and we may have some icy spots out there. As far as snow goes, we'll have to watch as we go into tomorrow morning. If we still keep on seeing some lingering moisture through the morning hours, that could lead to maybe some snowflakes around the area. This is a video of actually some snowfall over towards Washougal for tonight. This was sent in from Edward there. You can see some some light accumulations going on there, likely in some of the higher elevations. But still be prepared for some snowfall around areas of the gorge, through parts of the Cascades foothills, into areas of Washington and through Oregon for tonight. Notice that we have some action still going behind. So we're going to continually see some rain and some pockets of moisture because it's still a bit unstable, and that is going to stick around, through the overnight into tomorrow morning. So this is something that we'll watch. Through the Coast Range, we may have some snowfall there as well. And then we're just looking at some rain kind of traveling out of areas of Portland right now. So there's a look at the gorge. Temperatures have been right around the mid-30s, but if you start scaling a little bit higher, it's going to be cooling down pretty quick. And if you have a heavy enough shower, that could also cool things down, leading to some snowfall, kind of like what we saw in that video there. So we do have a trough kind of right over the top of us, so we're just dealing with the coldest air that we've seen really. And notice that we continue to see some showers redevelop there behind that front that we had earlier today. And then you can see how everything kind of scoots out to the northeast. So this is just going to be the case through the overnight hours until we kind of shift that whole trough out of here and we see things stabilize a little bit. And that will likely be through the day tomorrow, which means we will dry out for part of our Monday. All things considered, once we stop thinking about snow, as we go to just kind of transition to rain, here in the valley, we had a pretty wet day. We had about 3/10 of an inch, a little more than that. And that puts us over 6 inches for the month of January so far. We still have some time. Notice that we had some heavier rain up there towards areas like Astoria, and then, some light accumulations of rain there into areas of the gorge on the east side. Right now, temperatures in the mid-30s, so that's why I'm still monitoring areas through the overnight, because in those little pockets of rain, those isolated showers that we saw find a way into the valley, we'll likely just see rain, but if they're heavy enough, we may actually see some flurries mixing down to the valley floor. You can see 39 degrees coming out of Portland, Vancouver at 39, Battleground at 36, and over towards Washougal there in the mid-30s. We'll keep the cold air through most of the week, and then again, we're watching into Tuesday now for another system. And as far as mountain snow goes, I don't think we're going to be dealing with much. You can see the snow level stays below the passes, so we're going to have anytime any system comes in, it's going to be snow for the ski resorts. They should be pretty happy for that. All right, so there's the scattered showers through the overnight. We get into tomorrow morning. We still have some kind of hanging around, so we'll see if we have some flurries. You're definitely going to want to join in with Kelly tomorrow morning. We do dry up as we go into the afternoon, and then we get into Tuesday's event, and that's going to bring in that chance for some rain and a mix Tuesday evening. All right, 7-day forecast here. We have Wednesday at 44. We keep it nice and cool through the week with some showers, temperatures in the 30s. I'll have some more updates coming up at 11 as well. You can see Saturday there, temperatures in the mid-40s, Liz.
I see rain every single day.
You do, yes.
7 day. Yeah. All right, we'll talk more about